Hi there, Sarahbeth here, and welcome to this quick and transformative yoga practice to help you overcome insecurity and find your inner resilience and strength. So when you're ready, meet me in any seated position that's comfortable for you. I'm here in easy seated pose just to take a moment to tap into that inner strength and resilience. Even if you don't see it or feel it today, it's somewhere in there. Trust that it's in there. And take a big breath in through your nose. Exhale out through your mouth. And feel everything else melt away. In this moment, nothing else matters. Continue to breathe in and out through your nose throughout this practice today. And when you're ready, meet me in a modified plank. So on your hands and knees, with your hips between your knees and your shoulders. So bring your hips forward, but not so low that they're slumping down towards the mat, okay? So hips are between your knees and shoulders, and press your knees and the tops of your feet down into your mat. Fan your fingers out wide and drag the heels of your hands back towards your body. They're not going to go anywhere, but just that energetic motion is going to help you fire up your core even more. Find that strength within your body. Feel it working even here. And from here, slowly lower all the way down to your belly. So even in poses like plank that can feel so challenging, you have that strength within you. In your prone position on your belly, take your hands underneath your shoulders, elbows pointing up to the ceiling, zip your legs and feet together, and peel your chest up off your mat as you press your pelvis and your feet into the mat for a low cobra. Now, with your chest lifting up off the mat, keep your gaze just a few inches out in front of you so that you're not craning to look way out in front of you, but instead keep the back of your neck long. And as you peel your chest up, see if you can get your back to work by letting your hands be light on your mat, maybe even hovering above your mat. A pose like this, with your breath bobbing into your mat, is going to help you improve your posture and build confidence in your body as you stand taller with ease throughout your day. So you're here for 3. Gentle bob with your breath. 2. And 1. Lower your left ear down to your mat. For a belly Savasana, take your arms down by your sides, let your feet fall open. And feel your whole body becoming soft and heavy as you give in to rest and relaxation. Draw your chin back to center. Keep your arms long down beside you and peel your chest up off your mat using the muscles in your back. This time, see if you can lift your legs off the mat, maybe just a couple inches to hover, and can you lift your arms off the mat? This is a locust pose similar to low cobra. It's a great pose for improving posture, giving you a sense of pride, allowing you to stand tall, making it a little bit easier to hold your head up high. If you want to add on, interlace your hands behind your lower back and press your knuckles to the back wall. Feel your chest opening up. Well done. Slowly release and lower your right ear down. For a belly Savasana, take your arms down long by your sides. And if ever this is a little too much on your neck, you can also stack your hand underneath your forehead, underneath your temple. That works too. And from here, go ahead and just wiggle your hips side to side, releasing any tension from your lower back. Finding a moment of calm and comfort. Next, plant your hands underneath your shoulders and press yourself up into a tabletop on your hands and knees, and then back into child's pose. So take your knees nice and wide. Big toes coming together behind you. Maybe they touch, maybe they don't, that's okay. And slowly lower your forehead all the way down to the mat. Arms out long in front of you. Take a big breath in. And exhale to let it go. True strength and true resilience comes from within. Like a muscle, it's something you can practice. And as you practice, it will become easier to feel strong, to stand tall, and to hold your head high. Slowly walk your hands up and taking a seated position, any seated position on your mat. Take a moment with your hands together at heart center, finding gratitude for tapping into your strength, your inner wisdom today. From that place of gratitude in me to that place of gratitude in you, namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you want to feel even more confident in yoga, I highly recommend that you check out my Beginner Yoga Challenge. It's a completely free 7-day yoga challenge with just 10-minute yoga videos every single day. But I made these videos specifically for beginners. So I teach you everything there is to know about some of the most basic yoga poses that in other videos you might feel rushed through. And that's not going to help with feeling strong or confident. So in these videos, we'll break it down and you're going to feel great. Join me for the 7-day Beginner Yoga Challenge completely free on my YouTube channel. Just click the first link in the description below to get started and I'll see you there. Have a great day.